SMF MMTs. This thing has been throttling all day. This is the one MMT Sean has been on. This thing here, we've been making a market on it. We added it to the market maker list when he first brought it to my attention. And look at that thing burn at 100, and you're above there now. Look at here, you're at 0.66. Can I get past the finish line? Sure did. At 6.7. This is live. This is here. It's now. There it is. It's in the MMT platform. It's burning. Will it fall weak up here? Yes, at some point. But we keep continuing to make that ratio high. This will have to get exasperated in price. When they're all in, then that is when we'll get the teeny contraction. Until then, we are going to push. But notice that in the VO1 column here, let's see how many pennies. That bar was 33 pennies. So it was 33 pennies from here to the top. Now this one down here is 27 pennies MMTs. And what you want to know is that if this move is going to keep breaking higher, you want to see that that VO1 column bottom up price action is increasing. Right now we are retracing to the teeny line based on everything that we were talking about, and exactly how tops will have to build price weakness from this kind of move. So here's the top right here. Here's all your readings. You're still above 85. You're at 61. We went through that. It was live. We did break that ratio high. But if we fall below 85, then this is going to go down and contract, and that means that we're sliding the bid here and now. Here we go. MMTs. Here's a daily chart. And based on the daily chart, when MCP was added to our list, we can see back over here where it was at $30 a share. And MCP has made its top up here and then had that nice reversal. It will be doing something similar again, as they all do. That will slide that bid with the market, but then we popped, we slid the bid, and this is where the last daily breakout has been in our MMT platform. I just want people to know that at times there will be slide that bid, but this thing has moved ever since the Japanese crisis is out. I'm not going to go into the fundamentals in the company right now because this is market making. So basically we keep making higher highs from every reversal high, and that's over a longer period of time. This goes back to December where it was. Naturally, when we got into the January period, you still had the buy actions and you still had the trading ranges. This is a very good secondary breakout to its original breakout over here. If we take a look at it in our MMT platform correctly, what we do is we know that we have a system that will measure the strength of the institutional buyer and seller and lots of people. So outside of a market making activity is that there will be times that we get pullbacks, and we will be getting some from these highs as well. The key is, MMT, is that look at the distance of this breakout here, these deltas. That's $2.99 an hour a day. Going to change every day. But look at that. Look at those. Now look at the fade back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down times $3 is a $21 move. And then let's not forget 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times 3 is a $12 move there, and another $12 move there, and an $8 move. Let's see, 3, 6, $9. Yeah, let's just call it $9. A little less than $9 right there. But here's where look at some of these on a daily. That was a daily. This is where it started. We've never looked back on that daily level. They shook it out of delta, and then they're right back up here. So this is the topping pattern. It's called a 4-day price action topping pattern, MMT. And what we're going to be watching is we need to see, and if we're going to continue to break higher, we're going to need to continue to see this bar at a very minimum, and or one of these follow through bars up here to break higher. We would be looking for a daily bar like this. But that was a daily bar because it's a daily chart right up here. SMF, MMT Trader, MCP, 1 daily, price action breakout. Back to today's consolidation, it's been very strong in the SMF market making platform on a short term level because it has. So basically, this is the kind of bars that I'm always talking about. In the price action, this is teenies up. These teenies are 37 cents a teeny. This teeny bar right here, this was 93 pennies from top up, which is nice. Wow. $1.44 price action in that bar at that time. 9:33 a.m. Eastern time. Right here's a timestamp, MMT. And that's where we started blowing. We popped that clutch in that bid and ask. We went up here higher, and we have that intraday reversal that I was talking about here and now. Once again, SMF, MMT Trader, MCP 3 minute, price action market maker